Welcome to 12.5 Tech. In today's video, I'm introducing you to a powerful VPN app called APNA Tunnel, designed for secure, fast, and unlimited internet access. Whether you're browsing, streaming, or accessing restricted content, this VPN has got you covered. Let's walk through the installation and setup process step by step. First, unlock your phone and tap on the Play Store icon to open it. Once you're on the home screen of the Play Store, tap on the search icon located at the top right corner. Next, in the search bar, type APNA Tunnel and press Enter. You'll see a list of apps appear. Carefully look for the APNA Tunnel VPN. It's easily identifiable by its unique VPN icon. Once found, tap on it to open the app's details page. Now tap on the Install button to begin downloading. The installation may take a couple of minutes depending on your internet speed. Once it's installed, an Open button will appear. Tap on it to launch the VPN. When the VPN opens, you'll be redirected to the APNA Tunnel home screen. At this point, you may receive a notification request. You can either allow or skip this based on your preference. Ensure your mobile data is turned on so the app can fetch and load all available servers. After loading, the app might restart automatically. Don't worry, this is completely normal. APNA Tunnel is organized into two key sections, the server section and the protocol selection area. To choose a server, tap on the server section. A list of global server locations will appear. Select any location based on your preference. You can switch between servers anytime. After selecting a server, proceed to choose a protocol. Tap on the Tweaks button to view a list of built-in options. Scroll through the available tweaks and choose the one that suits your usage. These built-in tweaks are pre-configured for optimal performance. If you're interested in using your own custom configuration instead of built-in tweaks, you can activate custom settings. Tap the radio button next to the custom settings label on the top right. A new window will appear where you can choose from protocols like slow DNS, V2Ray, SSL settings, and others. Some protocols may require custom servers, while others work with built-in servers. Once you've made your selection, return to the home screen. You will see a large Start button. Tap on it to connect the VPN. Within seconds, your VPN connection will be established. Finally, if you want to share the VPN connection with other devices, tap on the side menu and select the tethering option. Turn on the tethering feature to allow other devices to connect through your VPN. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials and updates. Drop your questions in the comments, and I'll be happy to assist you. Until next